Hey there guys, got a little padlock here for you. This one's going to be the Blackdog. Here it is next to my Zippo. Give you guys a size comparison. And it's a little tiny luggage lock I got. Give you a look at the key bitting here. There's a look at the key bitting. It's only got 4 pins in it, no security pins. Lock does work. There it is unlocked. Go ahead and lock them back up. Pick this lock open. There's a package that it came in. Model number is 55134. There's the front. There's the back. And it's going to use a standard tension tool. Stick them in here at the bottom of the keyway. And you can use a hook pick. I'm using Peterson #1 hook pick from the Euro series. Just apply a little bit of tension. Stick your tool in. Stick your pick in. Start wiggling up and down. Apply a little bit of tension. And there it is, picked open. It's that easy. Go ahead and lock them back up and do that again. Stuff back out. See that's locked up. Stick your tension tool in. Apply a little bit light tension. Take your hook pick. Stick him in. Start jiggling up and down. There it is again. As always guys, thank you for watching and you guys have a good one.